Well, here you see me today with a young fledgling green woodpecker, which one of my neighbours has brought round. She found it in the grass and she thinks it might have a poorly leg. I'm not sure whether that's the case or not, but the best thing to do with a bird like this when you find it is to try and put it back into the environment where it was and see if the parents come and find it. They're surely looking for it, so it's often the case that birds are hanging around just waiting to be fed, so we'll do that, but not before having a little film of this guy or girl. I'm not quite sure what the sex of it is, but there we are. You can see those lovely, look at those opposing toes where it can grip on a vertical bark surface there, and the tail that can support it as it goes up the trunk. Beautiful bird. So there we are, there's the lovely red crest developing, and you can just about see the green plumage developing there too. So there we are, so green woodpecker fledgling. I'm going to see if we can get you home, shall we? Yes. Beauty. Okay, so I've brought our little woodpecker into the woods, and I'm going to put it on the tree and see if it can grip. It might not have learnt to grip properly yet, but it'll test its leg strength, and we'll see how it copes. So here we go. Right, come on, there we go. Aha, that's a good sign. Yes. Up it goes. Well, that's not doing too badly, is it? Lovely. There he goes, up into safety, away from the cats. Up you go. Yes. Always best to put birds back where they're happy, and then the parents can do the rest. Up you go. So I can zoom in a little bit. Let's get where the sun is. There we are. Yes. And of course the thing to do now is to clear out fairly quickly so that the parents can come and find it. They'll locate it, sure enough, I would guess. But he seems happy up that tree, so we should be okay. Bye bye. Well, I'm in front of the wood now where I released the baby woodpecker, and I can hear the woodpeckers calling now, which is a good sign because it means that our little baby has probably joined up with its mum and dad again, so that's great. Let's see if we can have a listen. They're not going to make a noise now, look. There we go. It's a very loud call, so as you can imagine it's very easy for them to locate their young with that sort of call. There he goes. That's a good sign. So if you do find young birds, just remember that as soon as you get them back to where they should be, the parents probably will come for them. The thing with woodpeckers, particularly green woodpeckers, they do tend to feed on the ground. They get insects and grubs from the ground, beetle grubs and things like that. So you might find them on your lawn, So don't necessarily assume that there's a problem. They might just be waiting for mum and dad. Yeah, I can hear it calling in the background now. That's great. Means it's probably okay.